We are on part 3 of DIY Pinterest-worthy stockings, and if you didn't check out the first 2 videos, go check those out. For this one, I'm going to switch out the foot. For reference, I'm switching to the H foot. For this project, we're going to add an applique to the front of our stocking, starting with fabric 1 and then our tracing guide. You can use printable tracing paper for this. I'm sewing all the way around the outside with a tracing stitch, and then I'm going to use this as perforation and tear it off. Next, I'm going to come in with my Pelican scissors. If you don't have Pelican scissors, just use your normal scissors. These are good for trimming away excess for appliques. Make sure that you're cutting nice and cleanly all the way around the outside. And then it's time to clean up your edge with a nice zigzag stitch. You can also use any one of the decorative stitches that come programmed onto this machine. Make sure that your stitches are really tight if you're using a fabric that has any fray or pull to it. You can also use stabilizer under this. Now it's time to come in and do our second fabric. If you're uncomfortable lining this up, you can always cut out your shape so that you know exactly where it lines up. Again, I'm going around the first round with my tracing stitch. This second layer should be at least 3 millimeters away from your first layer. Again, using the stitching line as perforation, peel that back and come in with your applique scissors, trimming nice and close to the edge. Make sure that you're keeping this nice and straight with no jagged edge. That way, when you come back and do your top stitching, it's really easy to clean it up. I did adjust my zigzag on this one to be a little bit closer together because this fabric could potentially fray. And there you have it, perfectly personalized monogram stocking.